Movie Maker Video 2. Now, the next thing that I wanted to mention about importing something would be, for example, things like PowerPoint. You cannot import an entire PowerPoint slideshow. If you have 10 slides, you actually will have to save the individual slides themselves as a picture. Then you can import each slide, all 10 of them, but you cannot import from PowerPoint directly. Another thing would be Word documents. You cannot import a Word document directly. You would actually have to copy and paste it into Paint and save that as a picture, and then of course you would import the picture of your Word document. The next thing about importing things would be that if you have something saved on a flash drive, Movie Maker will not let you import something directly from a flash drive. Importing from a flash drive cannot be done directly, but you can save it from the flash drive onto your actual computer in your file, whether it's music or pictures or whatever it is. You would save it in your My Pictures folder or your My Music folder, then take the flash drive out and then import it into Movie Maker. Then you can use it. But if you import directly from a flash drive, you will have something up here that will show a bunch of red X's, and basically all of these are links to where the file is at on your computer. These are not the actual files. All the files that you're going to use have to be actually saved on your computer, not the flash drive. It'll look like it imported from the flash drive, but once you put it down here, it'll have a bunch of red X's, and it'll mean that it doesn't know where the file is at. Now, actually creating your video. Well, what we're going to start with is that we're going to bring something down, and I like to use the timeline. This is actually the timeline view where you can see the videos, the transitions, you can see all the layers of things that are going on. Some people like to use the storyboard, but you can't see everything that's going on. You can't cut things, and I'll show you how to cut things in just a second. We're going to bring the video down, and you can see that this video already lasts about 6 seconds. I'm going to bring another video down. That's going to last a little longer. I'm going to bring another picture down, and it's going to be, you can see right here that everything lasts about 14 to 16 seconds completely. So there is that. You can move things around, of course. You can overlap them if you want. You can do a lot of different things, whatever order it is that once you get it on your timeline. What it looks like on the storyboard is this. You've got each piece here. Now, the next thing that you can do, of course, is add video effects. Video effects would be some blurred, a lot of different things can be done where, you can fade from black, fade in from the black screen, fade out to white. A lot of people like to change this to on this part, this one here. What it looks like on the storyboard is you can see that I have this star. It means it has a video effect. And anytime that you want to see what it's going to look like, you would just simply click on it and press play, and you can see that the colors are changing, whereas the colors didn't change like that on her original video. So there are video effects. Video transitions are a lot like in PowerPoint, where you would have something before or after a slide. So here, right here, I'm going to zoom in a little, and it's going to show you that there is a transition right here on the transition line. You can see that the transition would be right here on the storyboard, and you would press play, and this is what it's going to look like going from one thing to the other rather than just automatically changing from one to the other.